Exercise 4.4, problem number 3. Is it possible to design a rectangular mango groove whose length is twice its breadth and the area is 800 meters square? If so, find its length and breadth. Solution. Let the breadth of a mango groove be x. It's given length is twice breadth, so length of mango groove will be 2x, and also given that area of the mango groove is 800. So 2x into x, formula area of rectangle is length into breadth. So we get it as 2x square is equal to 800. So x squared is equal to 400. Bringing 400 to the left hand side, we get it as x squared minus 400 is equal to 0. Here b value is 0. Therefore the discriminant b squared minus 4ac value will be equal to 1600, which is greater than 0. Therefore the equation will have real roots, and hence the desired rectangular mango groove can be designed. Now we have to find the length and breadth. So x squared is equal to 400, it's known to us. So x is equal to root 400, which is equal to plus or minus 20. So breadth cannot be negative. So x is equal to 20. Therefore the breadth of the mango groove is 20 meter and its length is twice of breadth. So it's 40 meter.